Hey guys, bit bored of takeaway at the Saffron Alley household, so we decided to make some shawarma ourselves. The star of the show for this recipe, of course, will be some really premium high quality chicken thighs. Along with these, you want to grab all the ingredients from the list down below and simply combine them all with the chicken thighs, giving them a good mix and combining thoroughly. So a quick note on the chicken thighs used. You want to use a skinless, deboned variety. You can leave the skin on there if you want to, but I would ensure that there is a little bit of fat left on them. That will help just keep them moist and preserve them during the second thing you want to make sure is that you have really good high quality chicken that is not shrinking at all. If your meat's shrinking, then it's probably a sign that the meat is not that great in its quality. Marinate for a few hours. And now it's time for the fun part. So insert 2 skewers through a thick wedge of potato and start building your chicken thigh shawarma mountain. So just keep stacking the chicken thighs on, and you'll see here if the chicken thighs start shrinking and releasing a lot of water, then they're going to become lopsided and fall over in the oven. So that's something we definitely want to avoid. You can trim off the excess of the skewers so it fits into the oven nicely. Then pop this into a 200-degree oven for approximately 1 hour. You want to cover the base of the tray with a little bit of water just to stop all the drippings from burning and make a nice sauce at the end. We served with tzatziki, hummus and some baba ganoush over some chips and naan and salad. You'll see the real advantage of using chicken thigh here is that none of the meat is dry at all. It's all beautifully tender and beautifully moist. Hope you guys give this one a go. It's really simple and it's really easy, and we know you're going to love it. As always, if you do give any of our creations a go, please tag us and let us know. We'd love to see what you're getting up to. Take care and have a great weekend.